Good morning, everybody. It is 8:24. I've been up literally since 6:30 this morning because Charlotte slept all night again last night. I am not used to this.
And I did too.
And Benjamin slept all night too. But she slept all night long, and I woke up at 6:30 paranoid. I'm like, what's going on? You know, because I'm just like, I'm not used to this. Because she usually wakes me up 2 or 3 times, 1 to 2 times a night. So I'm like, whatever. So woke up at 6:30, couldn't fall back asleep, and then finally when I did fall back asleep, she woke up at like 7:30. So now it's 8:25. Graham just left for work. He's actually going to work early, so he'll be home around 4-ish, 5 o'clock. Miss Charlotte, what's going on? Ben, can you move that chair for your sister?
No.
She's stuck. Charlotte loves to get in any nook and cranny that she can get. Like, we have a smaller refrigerator where our fridge is, and she'll sneak in there. She likes to go in between like the wall and the TV. Any little spot she can fit in, she'll totally do it. And then she has a fit because she gets stuck. It's like, Charlotte, don't go in that. But I am excited that I finally got, you know, stuff organized. The toys are like maybe 75% organized, or they all have a home. Pretty much they all have a home. I just gotta label everything. But you guys are giving me, you know, suggestions. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Basically the point, hey, Miss Darlet. Basically the point is, once I have all the toys organized and ready to go, when he grabs a toy, when he's done playing with it, he puts it back before he grabs something else. That's what the whole thing of me organizing toys are. And now since my whole floor is organized, he can grab a toy and put it back when he's done. So that's what my plan is. It just takes a little bit. You know, it took me, what, we're going on this a month, or a little over a month and 10 days. And I'm finally like, you know, where I'm at. I told Graham this weekend I want to work on the toys. So I think today I'm going to work on labels for the drawers, the fabric drawers. I got to figure out what font I want and then what size I'm going to make them. So that's what I'm going to do today. And then I got laundry that I had to do last night because Ben spilled a bunch of water out of the bathtub. So I had to take a bunch of towels and dry that up. So I just put them in the washing machine, and I had to stay up a little bit extra to wait for the dryer. So now those are all done, so I'm going to put those away. And I think I have enough clothes to do another load of laundry. So I'm going to do that because I'm trying to keep up on the laundry, you guys. Like, this is the point of me doing this. I'm trying to keep up with everything. So the living room's clean. There's just a little things here and there, but easy fix. Most of it's just because of Charlotte's, her little baby toys. But that's what I'm gonna do. The table is pretty much cleared off. I just gotta grab a couple things here and there, but you guys, I'm doing awesome. My desk has a little bit of stuff on it, but I can put that stuff easily away. Before, you know, I had stacks of papers. It was ridiculous. But I'm finally happy that I'm finally keeping up with stuff. I really want to try to start a wreath today. I didn't get a chance to try it yesterday, but I think when she takes a nap, I'll hurry up and try to film my video, just because I need the quietness. Otherwise, I might film it and then just do a talk over. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But my little cat Paris is coming to me right now. My child number 3. Well, technically, she's my child number 1. Yeah. Her birthday's coming up in a couple days. She'll be 13 years old. So, anyways, we already had breakfast this morning, so I'm going to probably finish doing the laundry. That's what I'm going to do. Hey guys, so yeah. Charlotte's sleeping. It is 10:49. I just got out of the shower. Today's a no makeup, I'm not matching kind of day. I'm wearing leggings, I'm wearing like a sweatshirt. I just feel like, you know, Fridays are the day I don't want to get makeup on and everything, but I feel more productive when I put some makeup on, but I'm just like, no. But I got my second load of laundry going right now. So I got to work on that, but I think since Charlotte is sleeping right now, Benjamin's coming downstairs, but I think since Charlotte is sleeping right now, I'm going to hurry up and do an intro to this video that I want to do, so I can work on that throughout the day with it not being so quiet. So that's what I'm going to do first, is go in the basement. Funny thing is, like, when I'm about to take a shower, I don't know why, but I just start picking up like crazy. My room's just crazy, a mess, but I told Grandma, I says, you need to help me with this because you sleep in it, you can help me with it, because he just keeps all of his clothes in like a pile. I'm like, no, just fold them up and put them away. And I don't know if it's clean or dirty, so I just been grabbing anything and everything because I don't care. But I'm like, right before I take a shower, I just start picking up like crazy. I'm like, no, I gotta take a shower. I gotta pop in the shower because I don't want the water, you know, wasting, because I have it running so it gets hot, warm or hot, because it takes a while in our house.
I made like put a cup of top leg of a cup and then one out of the tub.
So then there's that.
Everywhere.
Yeah, water went everywhere. So then
I looked in the basement and the water was not in there.
Yeah. So then after I get out of the shower, I still have my robe on and my towel on my head, and I'm continuing picking up. But then like once I'm dressed, I'm like, I don't want to spend any more time in my room. I just want to go downstairs. So, but last night when Graham did get home, he actually just said I did a really good job picking up. Like he's just like, wow. So it's like, it's getting there. It's getting there. You know, and he wants to show you guys his window, so let me walk over there and show you guys. If you can kind of see it, he's been drawing up a storm. Just using markers, having fun. He also drew on the frame of the door, but that's all washable. So we'll make sure we can clean all that off.
No, can you keep it here forever?
Well, not forever, but we'll just leave it on there for a little bit longer.
No, can we keep it here? Meow Monster over again.
So I had to come down in the basement. I'm working on another wreath, or you know, project for you guys, but my feet or my fingers have been hurting me. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 7:30. I haven't been really cleaning today. Look at that little monster. Look at that little monster. Say hi. Yeah. So I haven't been really cleaning today just because I don't want to. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I don't have my stick. So I don't know where the microphone is on my camera. But I have been, watch out honey. Excuse me. I've just been kind of relaxing. Ben tore the living room apart. He ended up taking like all the chairs and putting them over here in the living room area. You're okay, honey. And so I'm like, Ben, you clean up. So he cleaned it up. Now he just dumped the markers out because they fell. But that's just, I'm going to make him clean that up before he goes to bed. But he is just having a good old time drawing on the windows. And I'm like, you know what? That keeps him occupied. You can go for it. So now like a lot of our main floor windows have the markers all over the windows, which I don't care about. But now, yeah, it's 7:37. Graham and I are thinking of just going for a drive tomorrow. Like we might go to the other side of town just because we want to just drive around, you know. We'll see how it goes. Graham wants to get some takeout at some place on the other side of town. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But other than that, you know, I'm just having a nice relaxing day. But, sorry, I gotta figure out where my microphone is on here. But you guys can see all of Ben's art. And then Graham and Ben are, it's not focusing. Graham and Ben are, well, my camera won't focus. So, yeah, Graham and Ben are outside swinging. And I'm just working on my little project that I'm working on. So, I'm probably gonna get Charlotte bed probably in the next half an hour or so, just because I feel like when she sleeps, or when I put her to bed a little bit later, she sleeps all night. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. But I'll let you guys know a little update, a little bit more. It's just a nice relaxing day, and I love it. Hey you guys, so it's like 8:45. Charlotte is going to bed, or Charlotte's sleeping right now. I have a feeling she might have an ear infection. She keeps clawing at her ears. Now, she doesn't have a fever. She's been her normal self all day today, but she's constantly like clawing at her ear and like clawing at her face. So I don't know if it's, I think it's an ear infection. So we're going to see how she is tonight. And then if she does it tomorrow, like she was doing it, we're going to call somebody to see if we can get her some antibiotics or something like that. So I have no idea what I'm in for because she's been sleeping for the last 2 nights in a row. So we're like, oh my gosh. I watched Titanic today, you guys. I've watched that movie, I don't know how many times. I've probably seen that movie over 100 times. And I freaking cried. I cried. Like, I've never cried during that movie at all. But all of a sudden now I'm just bawling my eyes out. And Ben's like, why are you crying? And I'm like, I don't know. I'm just sad. So I'm like, ugh. So, yeah. Graham and Ben are upstairs. I'm just going to watch. I started watching the rest of Santa Clarita Diet. I watched the first and second season whenever they came out, but I've never finished the 3rd season, so I'm just on the first episode of the 3rd season. So I'm going to start watching that series, and then I'm trying to figure out what else I could watch. But other than that, we just had a nice, good day. So I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow. Just drive around, something. I don't know what we're gonna do. But I'm glad we kept the house clean. I did 3 loads of laundry. I didn't know I had that much laundry to do, so I just did like 3 loads of laundry and put it away right away. So I'm ahead of schedule. The living room is cleaned up. I'm like, Graham, let's keep it up, because if the living room's clean, Graham and I don't have to fight, which we rarely fight anymore, but I'm like, ugh. So I'm going to take it easy. My hand hurts like crazy from doing my craft thing that I'm going to do, so I'm just going to take a break for that tonight. I think I'm going to have some ice cream, edit this video, go to bed. So you guys have a lovely day. Hopefully I'm more productive tomorrow. And see you guys all later. Bye-bye.